Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be talking about if you can install TinyTask on your mobile device. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So, TinyTask is an awesome tool for automating repetitive actions on your desktop. But here's the thing. Unfortunately, TinyTask does not work on mobile devices like Android or iPhone at this point in time. But don't worry, there are still some great alternatives for your mobile device that can help you automate tasks. For Android users, there is an app called Tasker. So if we go to the App Store, and now I'm going to type in Tasker, I'll spell it correctly too. So here it is here, Tasker. This app is super powerful. It lets you set up triggers like when you get home or when you get a text message. It then can perform actions like turning on your Wi-Fi or launching an app. It's pretty cool, right? So if you're on iPhone, you got Shortcuts. Shortcuts is built into iOS and lets you create custom actions like sending a message or setting a reminder all with just one tap. You can even automate things like turning off your lights if you have smart home devices. So while TinyTask isn't available for mobile, these apps are your best bet at this point in time for automating tasks on your phone. You can start using them today to make your phone work smarter and not harder.